a one artist out of all artists, I see, stand up in front of NinjaMan and give him a decent competition, and that is Mad Cobra. Yeah man, big up to Mad Cobra man. And you don't know say Mad Cobra and NinjaMan pitney and NinjaMan in pattern off a same way. NinjaMan style him DJ in. Whole world know that. See? 1 year in New York City, NinjaMan dey on a show. I think Roy Wilkins were there. See, and them time the Cobra, I go on with them thing. Cobra have a name and Cobra have some tune and I go on and yeah. See? Cobra brave. I love how Cobra brave them time as a youth. Because NinjaMan dey on stage and the DJ and Cobra run out on stage for him. See? And the place lift up when them say Cobra. And what I said, real Cobra that you go do. And NinjaMan go so, have a tune them time there. Where I say, shut attack, and the boy blood clot shut attack. See? And NinjaMan go so, boop and draw that pan Cobra. And the place lift up. I say, Mad Cobra to hold the mic and go so, if them shut attack, but a kill fi we kill original gun deliver, make them right them will shut attack. Yo, the place lit. Roy Wilkins mash down man, I build them up a bill over back Roy Wilkins the next morning man, mash down.